Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, we will start the fifth chapter of the book Industrialization in the Muslim World. Starting with the name of chapter, we first define the meaning of industrialization. Students, industrialization is the process in which a country transforms itself from primarily agriculture into one based on manufacturing of goods. This results in the replacement of hand tools by machines. So, it is the process of making product using machines in the industry. Industry is the most important factor in the development of countries. The Muslim countries were industrialized later than the Western countries. It is mainly because the Muslim countries were under the control of colonial powers that were not interested in their industrialization. The colonial powers are those nations who maintain its control over weaker or other countries. Other than this, the Muslim countries lack the high quality iron ore, which is the basis of heavy industry. But today, many Muslim countries are beginning to develop their industry, where Indonesia, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Turkey and Iran are well industrialized. Now, it's time to discuss the industrialization in some of the Muslim countries. Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, the industry is mainly based on oil and petroleum products. It is the world's largest exporter of oil. It also produces fertilizers, plastics, and simple mechanical and electronic goods. Next country is Malaysia. Malaysia produces high-tech electrical equipment, processed foods, chemicals, and textiles. It also produces pewter, which is a mixture of tin and lead. It is used to make decorative items and utensils. It also produces and exports palm oil, rubber, and mineral products such as tin and oil. Malaysia's success is also due to its tourism industry. It is in the list of top 10 tourism destinations. Now, come to Indonesia. The industrial setup in Indonesia is based on its mineral products, oil and tin, and also its agricultural products, rubber and timber. Indonesia also produces and exports electronic equipment. Tourism is also a successful industry here. The next country is Turkey. The main production areas of Turkey includes textile and garments industry, carpets, heavy industries of iron and steel, cement, oil refining, chemicals, and processed food. It is also a popular place for tourists because of its climate, history, and beautiful landscapes. Now, the last one is Iran. The main industry in Iran is of oil. It is the fifth largest producer of oil. It exports carpets and caviar. Caviar is eggs of sturgeon fish, which is rich in vitamins and minerals and is very expensive. Some other products are textile, petrochemicals, plastic goods, tobacco, etc. Students, we end our lecture here. In the next lecture, we will cover the next topic of this chapter, tourism. Thank you.